Oh, hi there. So today we're going to be painting on this 3 foot by 3 foot canvas. I think you can see the whole thing. Yes, you can. So I've already coated it in white except for this part right here, which I'm going to coat in black. And then I have already sort of prepared the right length of paper towel that I am going to very carefully swipe across here in an arch, in an arc. And then we should get some pretty cells with a lot of movement. But first I need to coat this part with black. I've also gone around the whole side and coated the sides with the white. So that is done. Now I just need to do the black. So I'll take this and I'm going to pour it all along here in a nice even coating. And so with the white, I used just a piece of junk mail. Anytime something comes on cardstock, I cut it and then I use that for spreading around the paint evenly. I don't want to do that too much here because I don't want to mix the white and the black together. So I'm just going to pour enough paint to where it will sort of pool up in the areas that I want it to. Don't want it to run off the edge too much because I don't want to lose a lot of paint. Oops. Almost there. I will also use what's left in this cup to coat the sides over here. We have our white area, we have our black area. I'm going to spray this paper towel off camera and then I'm going to just bring it around like that, leaving this side stationary and moving that side. And we'll see how it goes. Spraying the paper towel with water so it has a little bit of weight to it. Trying not to get my shirt in the paint. Got a pucker. There. Okay. Whew. Oh gosh. That was stressful. Didn't get it on me. There's a nice little divot right there, that's fun. I like it. I created a big drag of baldness there, so I'll come back and fill that in, but I want to let this settle for a second. All right, we're back. So it's been 5 minutes. I see a lot of cellular stuff happening. I love that there's a line going this way, but there's also lines going out this way. That's really fun. I see some reverse cells happening here, or more white in this black. I'm expecting that will develop a little more as we go. What I see now in the 5 minutes that have progressed is that this is not going to flow over and fill that in. So I am going to come back and fill this area in over here that got swiped too much. So I'm just pouring some black back over the bald area. Trying not to be too generous because I have noticed if I do this too much that it pushes the paint that way, and then I end up with like a a divot in my composition. So in fact, before I pour any more, I might just push this around and make sure that it doesn't flow into a certain area too much. I'm going to leave this alone and let it do its thing, and we'll come back and check it out in a couple of days. I will give you a close-up real quick. This is the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. It dried really smoothly. I'll let you get a close-up. It has a circular effect happening, and then you've got sort of those concentric rays coming out from the bottom right, which I dig. And to me, the longer I look at it, I see sort of like a landscape at the bottom, mountains or a group of trees, and then the night sky up top. It reminds me, if you've seen those time-lapse videos of the stars rotating at night, you can see the Earth's rotation when you do a time-lapse video of the stars at night. Maybe I'll try to find a video and splice it in so you know what I'm talking about. This one's big. This one's 3 feet by 3 feet. Some really delicate stuff going on with these strands as they go around. Really nice white space in the corner. I think there's a really nice balance in this with the black and the white. Can't wait to hear what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.